Alright, so I wanted to show you all another way of using the last coat. Wanted to show you all cleaning some interior stuff with it. So we're going to get the dash clean and wipe down pretty much everything inside the car here. So it's again the last coat. Got it sprayed on. Take our microfiber and just lightly wipe, and you will see it immediately pull up and remove all the dirt. So now we're going to flip to our clean side and we're going to buff the excess product off, which will get the remainder of whatever little bit of debris were left. But you can also see, as for the dash, it doesn't leave like a glary shininess, it just leaves a nice factory matte finish. And over in here, on all the wood trim, it's done an amazing job. It's actually protected it, so from here on out, when you spill your drinks or anything like that, it'll be easier to wipe it up. There it is.